Subtraction means taking away a number or a quantity from a given number or quantity. The answer is called the difference and we use the symbol minus for doing subtraction. Remember that we always subtract a smaller number from a larger number. Also, the difference is always smaller than the bigger of the two numbers, except when the number which is to be subtracted is 0. Also, you need to learn the terminologies used for subtraction. Here, the number which is to be subtracted is known as subtrahend. The number from which we subtract, that is minuend, and the answer is known as the difference. Keywords usually indicate specific mathematical operations. See the keywords used for subtraction: subtract, deduct, difference, decrease by how many more, how many less, how many left, take away, discount, leftover, less than, minus, reduce, remains, remove, and so on. These keywords will help you to solve word problems. Now let us see the properties of subtraction. First property, that is when we subtract 0 from a number, the number remains unchanged. That is, you get the same number. Now see the language used in word problems. How can it be read as? The first example is given, 56 minus 0 is 56. You can also read as 0 is subtracted from 56 and the answer is 56. Go to the next example, that is you can read out as 0 is subtracted from 78 and the answer remains unchanged, that is 78. Now let us see the next property of subtraction. When we subtract 1 from a number, we get the predecessor of the number. Now what does it mean by predecessor? Predecessor is the number before. So here 98 minus 1, you get the answer as 97. How will you read out? 1 is subtracted from 98 and the answer is 97. That is, you may also think as what is the predecessor of 98 then 97. Or you may think as which number comes just before 98 then it is 97. See the next example written, 11 minus 1 is 10. So you can read out as 1 is subtracted from 11 and the answer is 10. Or you may think as which is the predecessor of 11, so the answer is 10. See the third property of subtraction. When a number is subtracted from the same number, the difference is 0. That is, 83 minus 83 is 0. You may also read as 83 is subtracted from 83 gives 0. Similarly, 65 when subtracted from 65, the answer is 0. This answer to these questions. First question, you can see that 32 minus 21 is given. Here the ones place, when we compare, you can see that this is 2 and this is 1. This is a larger number and this is a smaller number. So obviously you can subtract the smaller from the larger, right? So here 2 minus 1, that is you will have answer as 1. Now coming to the tens digit, here also you have 3 to be a larger number than 2. So straight way you can subtract the numbers, that is 3 minus 2 is 1. Okay. Now coming to the next question, the second question is 64 minus which number? You get as 64. Now as you know, when 0 is subtracted from any number, you get the same number. So here both the numbers are same. That means here the answer is 0. Always remember, after writing the answer, once again think of the answer you have written. So here 64 minus 0 is 64. Coming to the third question, 47 minus which number? You have it as 1. That is 47 minus 46. You have answer to be 1, right? Now fourth question, what it says, 360 minus 60 is which number? Now here you can see the number formed by tens and ones digit, and here also number formed by tens and ones digit are same, 60 and 60. So here the answer will be 0, 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. 6 minus 6 is 0. And here you have 3. So write there 3. Now fifth question, what it says, that 700 minus 1 is which number? Now always when 1 is separated from a given number, that is, you know that you get the predecessor number or the number before. Okay, so here which is the number that comes just before 700? So just before 700 the number is 699, right? So here what you have to think, once again, the easy way to subtract these type of numbers, let's see them. See few more questions. We have seen that 700 minus 1 is 699. Okay. Now if suppose you are given say 5000 minus 1 is which number? What you need to do is find the number of zeros and write those many nines. So here 3 zeros are there. So 3 nines I will write, and which is the number just before 5, that is 4. So write there 4. Okay. Now let us see few more questions here. Here you can see 9000 minus 1. It is just the similar question as we have discussed now. So here 3 zeros are there. So what you need to do is you have to write 3 nines, and now think of the number that comes just before 9. So that is 8. So the answer is 8999. Now coming to the sixth question, blank minus 100 is 600. So here 100 is subtracted and then you get the answer to be 600. So here the number, as you know, the answer is always smaller than from which you subtracted, right? So this cannot be 500. Many a times children make this type of mistakes. So here you need to take care. So here you need to add these two numbers, that is 600 plus 100, that is 700. And now once again recheck the answer. 700 minus 100, is it 600 or not? So yes. Now let's move ahead. Blank minus 0 is 63. So when 0 is subtracted from a number, you get the same number, as we know. So here the answer is 63 and 0 is subtracted. So which is this number? This is 63. Fine. Now 79 minus which number? That is 78. Now when you see these numbers, then you know that 78 is predecessor of 79, right? So which is the number that is subtracted over here? That is 1. So 79 minus 1, that is 78. Now read this question, subtract horizontally. You have to do this sums mentally. Horizontally, that means you have to solve it like this. Vertical, that means you will solve like this. You have to arrange the numbers in columns and then solve it. This way it's horizontal. So direct answers you have to write. Now let's see and compare the ones place, then tens place, then hundreds, and then thousands, and so on. So here coming to the ones place, here 6 minus 3, you will have it as 3. Now here 7 minus 4, that is 3. Now you have 8 minus 8, that is 0. And now you have 2 minus 1, that is 1. And now read the number, that is 1033. Coming to the next question, here when you compare one's digit, you have 3 minus 3, that is 0. 9 minus 4, that is 5. 0 minus 0, that is 0. 8 minus 7, that is 1. And 2 minus 1, that is 1. Fine. Third question, 6 minus 1, that is 5. 5 minus 5, that is 0. Now 8 minus 4, that is you have it as 4. 9 minus 2, you have it as 7. And now 9 minus 3, that is 6. So write here 6. Now coming to the last question, what it is, 4 minus 3, that is 1. 5 minus 2, that is 3. 1 minus 0, that is 1. 2 minus 1, that is 1. And now 6 minus 6 is 0. Even if you don't write this, then also it's okay. Now let us solve this type of questions. What the question is, arrange the numbers in column and subtract. So now you have to arrange the numbers in columns. So how will you do it? Here 8, 3, 9, 7, 2 minus, and then now the next number you will write it properly starting from ones place. So there is no mistake thereafter. So here 1, then write 6, 5, then it is 1, and this is 4. Okay. Now subtract. Here you can see that the numbers in the top column are larger than the numbers given in the bottom column. So here also these are the questions without borrowing and very easy to solve it. So here 2 minus 1 is 1. 6 is subtracted from 7. That is 7 minus 6 is 1. 9 minus 5, that is you can go after counting 5. That is 5, after 5 which number comes, and reach up to 9. That is 6, 7, 8 and 9. So the answer is 4. Now this is 1, count up to 3. That is 2 and 3. So the answer is 2. Now this is 4, count after 4, reach up to 8. So after 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is 4. Okay, let's solve the next question. Here, so we will write first of all in appropriate columns. So 5, 2, 9, 3, and minus, I will write 0. This is 6, this is 1, and this is 4. Now let us subtract. So 0 is subtracted from 3. So the answer is 3. Now count after 6, reach up to 9. So 6, 7, 8 and 9. So here answer is 3. Now this is 1. You have to count after 1, reach up to 2. So 1 and 1, 2. After 4, the next number itself is 5. So this is 1. Let us see how to subtract the numbers using regrouping. First question given is 52 minus 28. So how we will do is, first of all, we will arrange the numbers in the correct places. That is 52 and 28. So 8 is in 1's place and 2 is in 10's place. So write it appropriately like this, and now you have to compare the digits in the 1's place. So here it is 2 and this is 8. So 2 is smaller than 8. Okay, and you know that the greater number cannot be subtracted from the smaller one. So regrouping is necessary. Now to regroup, we have to regroup tens and ones place, ones digit. Okay, so how you have to do is, we will see with the activity. Now see here, I have represented 52. One bundle is of 10. So this is 10. 2 tens is 20. 3 tens is 30. 4 tens is 40. 5 tens is 50. And this is 2. Okay. Here you may think that this is your A person and this is your B person. So B person is having 5 tens and A person is having 2 ones. Okay. Now a person C comes to A and asks to give 8 to him. Now he is having only 2. So what he will do is, he will go to B. That is, he will go to the next door and he will ask to give one bundle to him. So B has given one bundle to him. So now A is having, instead of 2, now he is having 12. And now he can give 8 to person C. Okay, so here you have 12 minus 8. That is, you have to count after 8 and reach up to 12. So after 8, start counting 9, 10, 11 and 12. So this becomes 4. Okay, now as 110 is given to him, so B person is having, instead of 5 tens, he is having only 4 tens. Okay, so here this is 4 tens. Fine. So here what happens now? This, instead of 2, this becomes now 12 and 5 tens becomes now 4 tens. So 12 minus 8, that is 4, you have done it. And now 4 minus 2, that is 2. Now let us see another example. You have 61 minus 39. So we will write these numbers in appropriate columns. This is 61 and now 9 is in 1's place and 3 is in 10's place. So we have written it in appropriate places. Now I should represent 61. That is 6 tens and 1 ones. So 1 10, 2 tens, 20, 3 tens 30, 4 tens 40, 5 tens 50, 6 tens 60 and 1 loose. So now you have it as A person is having 1 loose pen and B person is having 6 tens. Is it okay? Now C person comes to him and he asks 9 from person A. Now A is unable to give 9 pens because he is having only 1 pen. So he will go to the next door. That is, he will go to person B and ask 1 bundle to give him. So B person is giving 1 bundle to A. Okay. So now instead of having 1, B person is having 11. So this I can cut it and I can write there 11. Okay. And now as 1 bundle is submitted or given to person B, B is left out with only 5 bundles. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So he is left out with 5 tens now. So this you have to cut and write 5. Now count after 9, reach up to 11. So after 9, 10 and 11. So this becomes now 2. And now Start counting after 3. That is 4 and 5. So 2 is the answer. Now we will see subtraction of 3-digit numbers. See the first question. 632 minus 225. So here you have to think in a way. Person A, person B, person C. Okay. A is having 2 loose pens. B is having 3 tens. 10, 10 and 10. 3 tens, and person C is having 6 hundreds. So 100, 100, 100, again 100, fourth 100, then 500 and 600. Now person D approaches to A and asks to give him 5 pens. Okay. Now A person is unable to give him 5 pens because he has only 2 pens. So what he will do is, he will go to person B and ask him to give 1 bundle to him. So person B will give 1 bundle to person A. So instead of 2 pens, he will now have it 12 pens. 10 plus 2, 12 pens. And B person will have only 2 tens. Okay. So here I can cut this number and write 12 over here. And instead of 3, now this becomes 2. Now check it out. 12 minus 5. Is it possible or not? So yes. Now count after 5. Reach up to 12. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So this is 7. And now 2 minus 2 is 0. Now 6 minus 2. That is 4. So answer is 407. Let us discuss this question. Here A person is having 3 loose pens. B person is having 7 tens. That is your 1 10, twice, thrice, 4 times, 5 times, 6 times and 7 times. So 7 tens, and person C is having bundle of 100 and he is having 5 bundles of 100. So this is 100, second, third, fourth and fifth 100. Okay. Now person D approaches person A and asks for 6. Now as A is having only 3, he is unable to give 6. So he approaches person B and requests to give 1 bundle to him. So now as B have given 1 bundle to A, instead of 3, he is having now 13. And as 1 bundle is given to A, person B is having 1 less bundle than the previous one. So earlier he was having 7 bundles of tens. So now he is left out with 6 bundles of tens. Okay. So here this becomes 13 and this becomes 6 here. So now 13 minus 6, that is count after 6, reach up to 13. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. So this becomes 7. Now 6 minus 5, that is 1, and 5 minus 2, that is 3. So your answer is 317. Very often we make mistake with zeros. Let us put little efforts and practice here. See the first question here. This is 508 minus 369. Again, how you are going to think. This is your person A, person B and person C. he is having 8 ones. So here 8 I will write. This person doesn't have any bundles of 10. Okay. Now C person is having 5 bundles of 100. So here 100, 200, 300, 400 and 500. Okay. Now person D approaches A and asks to give 9. Now as A is having only 8, he is unable to give 9. So he will ask person B to give one bundle to him. Okay, but as he doesn't have anything, he also has to go to person C. Okay, so now C person gives one bundle among these two. So here what happens, instead of 500s, he is left out with only 400s. Okay, now he has given 100 among these two persons. Fine. Now this person B can keep the bundles in tens only. So he cannot keep 100 over here. So he will keep only 9 tens. So here 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10 and 10. So here he is having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. 9 tens, that is 90 he has kept. Now what about this 100? He has taken only 90, so 10 is left out, so one bundle he is giving to A. So now A person is having 18, so here I can write 18 and this person is left out with 9 tens, so here I have to write 9. So now 18 minus 9, so you will have it as 9. 9 minus 6, that is 3, and 4 minus 3, that is 1. So answer is 139. Let's discuss this question. Here similarly you will think, this is your person A, B and C. This person will have the loose ones and this one will have the bundles of tens and this person will have the bundles in hundreds. Now we will compare the numbers and see whether the number given on the top is greater than the number given just below it. If not, we have to go to the next door. So here I will see that is 3 greater than 9. So no, 3 is smaller than 9. So I need to go to the next door. Now B person is not having any bundles of tens. So he will also go to the next door. So instead of 7 hundreds, this person is left out with 6 hundreds and hundreds he has given. Out of hundreds, he will keep 9 bundles of tens, that is 90, and 10 he will give it to this person. So now he will have 10 plus 3, 13. Okay, now count after 9, reach up to 13. 10, 11, 12 and 13. 4. Count after 3, reach up to 9. So here you will have 6 and 6 minus 2, that is 4. So here you have 464. Let us quickly recall the things which we have done through our poem. More on the top, no need to stop. Here you can see the question given here. 73 minus 2, 3 is greater than 2. So straightway you can go for the subtraction. 3 minus 2 is 1 and here 7 minus 0 will be 7. The next one let us read out. More on the floor, go to the next door. That is here the numbers are 68 minus 59. So 9 is greater than 8. So a person will go to the next door and asks for 10 more. So he is left out with 5 tens and 10 as it is given to person A. He is having now 18, so 18 minus 9 will be 9 and 5 minus 5 will be 0. Now going ahead, number is the same, 0 is the game. That is your 75 minus 5. Here you can see the numbers are same. If the numbers are same and you go for subtraction, then you have the answer to be 0 and the 7 minus 0 is 7.